Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm out for a ride. Today is the 25th, and I changed the oil yesterday. I used a media mod, and that thing on and off, and the video lost audio. I don't know what it is. So today I went back to the old brick style, and see if that works better, because I've always had trouble with that media mod. I don't know if it's just worn out or not good or what. Need to mow, but it's just too wet. It rained yesterday. Whew, hot. So hopefully I'll have audio here. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. I was at a stop sign and a guy was honking at me, and then I saw my trunk open. My side saddlebag popped open. I was looking for my wet vest, and I was looking in those bags, but I guess I didn't close it all the way, but it popped open. I appreciate them letting me know that it's open. I saw it after, I think it popped open right at the gas station. I'm on another road going towards Wheeland. I've never been out this way before. There's so many places I haven't been around here, but I'm almost afraid to take some of these county roads, because I've had them stop before and go to gravel, then all of a sudden it's not really gravel, it's like a path, and that's where I got stuck in the mud on this thing. So I don't get off of these roads that have stripes in the middle. There's no way. Uh-oh. I wonder if I can keep going straight. I can. Got a stop sign here. I sure like make sure I have clean oil in this thing. My sound went off yesterday, but I was saying that I changed this oil at 4,000, just a little over 4,000 miles, and it was dirty. So BRP says you don't have to change it for like 9,800 miles. There is no way, even if I use full synthetic, I would let it go that long. And then people use like a blend. So there's no way. I don't care. I've always changed all my vehicles, like the cars, maybe at 5,000 miles with full synthetic, and both this and the Goldwing 4,000 miles. I'm changing the oil filters, and on this one I changed all the O-rings too, and the crush washers, because I had it in the kit. So I've done it before. The first couple oil changes, I didn't change any of the O-rings, and it never had any ill effect. They weren't damaged, so I kind of changed the oil a couple times and left them in there. Never had a problem. Crush washers aren't crushed, but I've changed them anyway. I got a whole box of crush washers for the Goldwing, and I got the same original crush washer in it from 2014, so they don't wear out. But I did it just because I had them. I just passed one of those buzzards eating his lunch on the road, and it just reminded me, we were on a trip on the Goldwing, and we were heading, I don't know where we were going, we were still in Texas, and this buzzard just kind of came at me and hit me right on the windshield, and it just feathers and guts all over me. And if it didn't hit me on the windshield, it hit me on the head, it would have killed me. Those things are so big. So I got lucky, and there were some young college kids behind me, and we stopped at a Sonic to clean stuff off, and they pulled in, and they asked us if we were okay, because they saw the whole thing. And they saw my GoPro, and did you get it? No, I didn't have it on, but God, those things are like, they're the size of real turkeys, and just think if that hit you in the head, you know, it probably would have broke both our necks, my wife and mine. So I didn't see it. It just kind of come swooping in. So that was lucky. It hit on in the vent on the windshield. That was the strongest point. Another thing I'm trying besides the brick sound bar for the GoPro is I was always on super view, and I changed it to hyper view on this one, so it should be a little wider angle. You should probably be able to see my hands. I don't know. So I'll try that and see what that looks like. Bye. That was East Tawakoni, here's Lake Tawakoni. They're both huge. I mean, it's the same lake. This lake is huge. We should never run out of water with this lake. Lake Travis and Austin, they keep draining it to feed the rice farmers downstream, and then they charge more for the water for everyone else. It's sad when you got one company that runs everything. It's a domination. Look at all the water up here. Look at, you can't even see the other side. Beautiful lake. I need to get a couple jet skis. I always thought about that. I'm only like a few miles from here. We looked at homes out here actually, but it's too far. I'm glad we did, because our grandkids are, oh, I gotta close this. Our grandkids are a lot closer to where we are. 10 miles from where we are. It'd be like 30 miles here. We wouldn't watch them every day like we do now. They're so much fun. They're almost 2.